create a new spreadsheet. Now in Add-ons, under Get Add-ons, search for Pipeliner and add your Forms add-on. Pick the account you use and allow Add-on to access your drive. Now you will see Pipeliner CRM Forms and Add-ons. So let's start and log in using your Pipeliner credentials. You can create leads, contacts, and accounts from your forms. We will create the leads form. This is actually our default form setup. You can adjust it further. So if we add a new question to the form and refresh our add-in, you see that our new question is here. Each form field has a drop-down next to it. These drop-downs contain names of fields from Pipeliner leads. If we add a custom field to our lead, it will appear in the drop-down list too. Now here are 2 fields that are in each Pipeliner record. You need to specify what sales unit this record will be created and who will be the owner. The owner can be the sales manager that will distribute the leads, or leads can be unassigned and the sales reps will pick leads based on their field of expertise. And once people fill out your form, your lead will be automatically created in Pipeliner with all fields filled in.